Hi everyone, this is Lawrence from Hollyland. Today, we are excited to take a look at the latest full-duplex communication system, Solidcom SE 2.4G global version. So first, let's take a look at what's in the box. We've got one master headset, 4 remote headsets, 1 storage bag, 1 USB Type-A to Type-C cable, 1 6-seat charger, 5 lithium-ion batteries, 1 sheet of headphone number stickers, 1 user manual, and 1 warranty card. Solidcom SE 2.4G global version supports up to 5 members of simultaneous communication. If you're thinking of packing options, go and visit our website via the Learn More link down below. We have a detail section with the details on packing options to accommodate varying team sizes, and all packages are easily expandable. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version guarantees a stable and steady connection at distances of up to 1,100 feet over the 2.4 GHz frequency band. It also features auto frequency hopping technology, which enables automatic frequency switching when encountering interference, making the communication system more stable and reliable. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version is equipped with advanced dual-mic environmental noise cancellation technology. The recorded sound is processed to cancel out environmental noise, ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear, even in noisy surroundings. The ENC function is set at the factory, so you don't need to turn it on manually. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version is ready to use out of the box because all headsets are prepared at the factory. Adding a new headset to the existing system requires only one step. Just press and hold the volume plus button on the master and remote headsets at the same time for 5 seconds. The status indicator light will flash quickly, and you can wait for the automatic pairing to complete. When pairing is successful, the indicator light on the mic boom will remain on. Please make sure that the master headset and all remote headsets in the system are powered on and connected. If the light is flashing green slowly, it means that the microphone is not connected. There are 2 ways to control speech. The first is via the mute button. We can press it to be mute or speak. The second way is via the movable microphone boom. Rotate the microphone boom upwards to mute, or rotate it downwards to speak. We can distinguish the speaking status by the color of the indicator. A solid green light means talking, a solid red light means mute. Additionally, the Solidcom SE 2.4G global version features the push-to-talk function. When the system is muted, long press the mute button to talk, letting it go, and the system will remain muted. All of these ensure smooth and hassle-free usage of this intercom system. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version is powered by detachable batteries, ensuring the system keeps running with minimal downtime. The headset also supports USB-C charging. All you need is a rechargeable battery to keep your creativity powered up. If the indicator light is red and flashing slow, it means the microphone is low on power and will shut down within 10 to 30 minutes. You can charge the headset via a USB-C cable. If the microphone is charging while powered on, the indicator light will slowly flash yellow for 3 seconds and then become solid light. If the microphone is charging while powered off, the indicator light will flash yellow slowly. When the indicator light is solid yellow, it means it is fully charged. If you see the indicator flashing red and green, it means the headset is upgrading. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version's headsets boast water and wind resistance. The devices feature the ENC and wind filter microphone cushion that effectively reduces wind noise, while internal protective paint prevents water penetration, which means the system remains operational on rainy or windy shoots. The Solidcom SE 2.4G global version is crafted with lighter and more durable materials. The headset is super lightweight, weighing approximately the same as an apple. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.